In this video, I'll show you how to set up custom recruiting reports on Top Echelon, the recruitment software that's designed to help you streamline your process and make data-driven decisions. If you're new to Top Echelon, stay tuned because I'll walk you through everything you need to know about setting up reports that can boost your recruiting efforts and save you time. And stick around till the end, where I'll share an exclusive offer to use this software for free with some amazing bonuses. First, let's dive straight into how to set up custom recruiting reports. Once you're logged into Top Echelon, head over to the Reports tab at the top of your dashboard. From there, you'll have the option to either view existing reports or create a new custom one. Creating a custom report can help you focus on the metrics that matter most to your recruiting efforts. To start, click on the Create New Report button. This is where you'll define what kind of data you want to analyze. Whether it's candidate activity, placements, or client information, Top Echelon gives you full flexibility in choosing the data points. Make sure you take a moment to think about what insights you need before jumping into the customization process. Setting clear goals will ensure your reports are effective. After clicking Create New Report, you'll be prompted to choose the report type. For custom recruiting reports, you'll likely want to go with Candidate Report or Placement Report, depending on what you're looking to analyze. This is where the magic starts, because you get to handpick the data fields you want to include. Want to see which recruiters are placing the most candidates? No problem. Need to track client-specific performance? You can set that up too. One powerful feature in Top Echelon is the ability to filter data by specific timeframes, so you can compare month-over-month performance or look at trends over the last quarter. You can filter by dates, recruiters, job orders, or any other criteria relevant to your needs. Don't be afraid to get granular with the filters. The more specific you get, the more valuable your report will be. Now that you've selected your data and filters, it's time to customize the layout. Top Echelon allows you to rearrange columns and adjust what information appears on the report. This is where you make sure your reports are as streamlined and relevant as possible. You can also export your reports into Excel or PDF format, which is a great feature for sharing with clients or team members. Once your report is set up, don't forget to save it so you can access it later. You'll also have the option to set up automatic email reports, meaning you can have the custom report sent directly to you or others at a set frequency, like weekly or monthly. This makes it even easier to stay on top of your recruiting efforts without manually checking the software every time. At this point, you should be able to generate detailed custom reports that give you valuable insights into your recruiting process. With Top Echelon's flexible reporting tools, you can track key metrics that directly influence your success. If you need help, don't hesitate to refer to the platform's helpful support resources or reach out to their customer service team. By the way, if you want to take your recruiting game to the next level, remember that you can use Top Echelon completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Simply click the link in the description below to get started with an extended free trial, and you'll have access to all the premium features you need to set up custom recruiting reports that truly make a difference in your business. So, to summarize, log into your Top Echelon account, create a new custom report, select your data points, apply filters, adjust your layout, and save your report for easy access. You're now ready to make data-driven decisions that improve your recruiting strategy. Don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive extended free trial.